What's good, guys? Welcome to a day in the life of a Caerdydd Business School student. My name is Myfyriwr. I'm a second-year business management student. I'll be taking you through a typical day in the life of a Caerdydd student. Over here, I'm just starting my day. Honestly, I had a little late start to the day, but over here, I'm just walking to my lecture. The sun was really shining today. It's been months, but the sun's finally back. Here's the Aberconway building. This is where I have most of my lectures. This is my first and only lecture of the day, so I just had a little lecture on logistics networks. Then here I'm trying to pay attention. I low-key look so confused. Or I don't know what I was doing with my face. But then I got dismissed, headed back home. I had to do a little fit check in the elevator. Looking clean. Yes, sir. Then headed back home. Met up with my flatmate. Ate a little breakfast. Little eggs and bacon. If you need a chef, hit me up. Then headed back to school. Sun's hitting my face. Sun was really shining today. You guys don't understand. It was really shining. Then I was feeling a little hungry, so I passed through Greg's, got a little lunch to keep the energy going. Then I went up to the SU. This is mostly why I chill in between lectures because of you see the table tennis, the couch, all the games and all that stuff in the book. So I just kind of chill there. That's my little seat in the corner over there. So I just sit there munching away with my Greg's, munch. Then I headed over to the student union. Over here we can see the prettiest building in Caerdydd, all those pillars. Then headed up to the center of student life. This is why I come when I'm trying to really do some work because it's more quiet. But oh my word, these stairs were killing me though. You can see video evidence of me over here dying from the steps. But honestly, the view is so worth it at the top. Look at that. So lame, bro. Oh my word. And it was literally 5 p.m. so the sunset was hitting as well. Literally a perfect sunset. Look at the cars passing through, also do my work. Try to act like I'm focusing, all about this. So over here, I'm just doing a little bit of work. I tried to catch up on something from a lecture. Then after that, I headed back home. Met with my flatmates for a little bit. I don't know what we were doing in this clip, but we were just messing about. And then we ended the night by going up to YOLO, and there was a silent disco, so that was really fun. And yeah, that was a typical day. Thank you guys for watching my video.